Hi everyone, I just want to show you the Euromaid EBFW900 quiet drive inverter washing machine. We just bought this one from Appliance Online. It's very good price. It's very good price machine. It's, as you say, 15 the functions: the rapid 12, daily 60, shower spreading, sports, hand washing, delicate spin, and hygienic care, rinse woolens, synthetics, eco 20 centigrade degree, the cotton eco, pro wash cotton, and heavy 90-degree washing options. And as you see it on the right side, the display and the functions. You see when you start the program, you will see the temperature, spin and delay and anti-allergy, and start and pause button there, and the child lock is in there as well. And as you see, the water rating is very good. It's nearly now 4.5 stars. Energy rating is the pretty good as well. It's 4 star. So it's very good deal. It's very good design as well. It's 9 kilogram washing machine. Is, as you see, is the made in Turkey. Is the good? I think it's the good quality manufacturer is in there. And as you see, the 1400 RPM is very good, and the 2200 watt power rate. It's very quiet machine. It's when it's working, it's not giving too much sound. It's very silent. As you see, can open there. You just turn the button whatever you want, and you can adjust the temperature by touching, and the spin, and temperature 30. Because if you choose the rapid 12, it's designed to the one function is very not good, as I say. That's the one cons about this machine. When it's finished, the button will stay in there. For example, if you start the daily 60, it's stay in there. If it's the button is automatically go down to off. When it's finished, it will be nice. That's why maybe I give 8.5 or 9 out of 10 points off for this machine. But it's very good. It's a very budget friendly machine, Euromaid. If you wanna guys to buy it or looking for the new machine, washing machine, I recommend this Euromaid EBFW900. It's for 9 kilogram capacity. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.